scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 78. Today we are going through the Mandras 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of Sooktha-32 in Mandal 1. Here also the Devata is INDRA. INDRA is the force which is acting in every action. If we are doing any work, INDRA is the force which coordinates the activity there. There is a force there. Based on science, things are taking place. But at the same time, there should be a force. We know as per management principle, even though the science is there, to make a product, to produce something, a management function is required. Management means something, someone to coordinate the activity. Likewise, in every action, some chemical reactions are taking place. There a coordinating force is required. That coordinating force is INDRA. Now let us go through the first mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1, Sooktham 32 Rishi Hiranyasthopan, Devan Indran, Chandasa Trishtup. Indrasya nu viryani pravojam yani chakara pradhamani vajri aganhi manyabas tadartha pravakshana abhinat parvatanam.
In olden days, Indra is we know the activities of Indra. It says it splits the cloud so as to form the rain. Because there also some actions are taking place. There is two different charged clouds, positively charged cloud and negatively charged cloud. When these combines, there a chemical reaction take place. Ions of hydrogen and OH combines to form water. That result in the fall of rain. So the force which coordinated this chemical reaction is INDRA. So he was doing that in earlier days also. Now also he is doing the same thing. And that water is now flowing in the river. This formation of river also is related with the coordination or coordinated action of this INDRA. Now let us go through the second mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1, Sooktham 32 Akhanya Kim Parvade Shishiyanam Toshtasmai Vajram Soryam Tataksha Vasaiva Thena Vasemdyamana Anjasamudramava Jakmurabama.
Say the God created a sword for Indra to do such works. For example, to join certain things in chemical reaction. Suppose hydrogen is combining with the oxygen to form water. Here the hydrogen molecule contains two hydrogen atoms. These are first to be separated. Oxygen molecule contains two oxygen atoms. These are to be separated. So to separate it, one sword is required. And that salt should be very hard in nature because Indra is taking place in all such activity. If we are breaking a stone, there also is Indra using the same sword. So it should be made of the hardest substance is diamond. So the God gave Indra such a sword to split the materials and to rejoin it. Hydrogen atom break into hydrogen molecule break into hydrogen and hydrogen atom, oxygen molecule into oxygen atom, then they are joined together in the form of 2:1. So breaking and joining, reshaping, such things are taking place in every action, and Indra, for that Indra possesses a sword that is given by the Lord. With this sword, Indra breaks the cloud that is attached with the mountain and split it and joined it in such a way so as to form the rain. So that water flows in the river. Now let us go through the third mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദമണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-3. വൃഷായമാണോ വൃണീത സോമം ത്രികദ്രുക്ഷേപി ബത്സുതസ്യ ആസായകം മഖവാദത്ത വജ്രമഹന്യേനം പ്രഥമ ജാമഹീനാം.
It says Indra is taking place in every chemical reaction in three different ways. Three different ways we know. As per chemistry, there are three types of actions taking place. Chemical combination take place, ionic reaction, coordinate reaction likewise. So Indra is taking part in three types of reactions so as to take the soma or input. We are giving the input to the system and the Indra accept it and convert it into a new product based on some chemistry principle, and in that chemical reaction three types of combinations are possible: ionic, coordinate and coordinate reaction. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദമണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-4. യദ് ഇന്ദ്രാഹൻ പ്രഥമജാം അഹീനാം മായിനാം അമിനാ പ്രോദാമായാം ആത്സൂര്യം ജനയന്ത്യാമുഷാസം താദീത്ന ശത്രും ന കില വിവിധേത്സ.
It says Indra break the cloud and help us to discover the sun and light, etc. Because if there is cloud, we cannot see the sun. So Indra break the cloud, and by which rain flows through the river, and that helps to see us the sun there, and light also comes towards us due to the breaking of these clouds that is there in between us and the sun. Now let us go through the fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദമണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 32-5. അഹൻ വൃത്രം വൃത്രതരം വ്യംസമിന്ദ്രോ വജ്രേണ മഹതാവധേന സ്കന്ദാം സീവ കുലിശേന വിവൃക്നാഹി ശയത ഉപസ്പൃഥിവ്യാഃ.
It says it break the cloud. Cloud means it is formed due to the ionized water. It sticks to the particles there and forms the cloud. At the time of raining, Indra is breaking this cloud and it becomes clear. This sky becomes clear. So that the force which opposes this breaking of the cloud is known as Vrutrasura. That is, some force is there which opposes the breaking of this cloud, and that reactive force is known as the Vrutrasura. So he kills Vrutrasura and breaks the cloud, and this results in the formation of rain. So the sky becomes clear. So actually Indra is killing the Vrutrasura to allow water to flow on earth in the form of rain.